Hi, my name is Shigeru Kobayashi. I'm a sales agent at Ford Pampanga. Today, i-explore natin yung Ford Everest Titanium. So coming from the front, so we are now highlighting as you can see, the very big Ford badge and a silver lining front grille and a honeycomb grille which is very wide na magiging napakaganda para sa ating engine, cooling system of our engine. And then the next one is the daytime running light, which is the signature of a Ford, a C-clamp daytime running light. So adding from that, we have a force sensor at the bottom to help us to assist on a steep parking. And coming from down, we have the fog lamp. In addition from that, we have the tow hook at the bottom. So dito po sa side ng Ford Everest natin, so we can see the very big side mirrors. And adding from that, meron po tayong additional signal light and a fog lamp at night. So for our wheels, we have the 20-inch alloy wheels still and a ground clearance of 230 mm. So para sa ating side door, so no need to worry na kahit nasa busa lang po natin yung key natin. So we have the keyless entry passage. So tap nyo lang and then open. So coming here at the back of a Ford Everest, what we can get is a Ford badge, Everest emblem, back wiper, back camera, LED taillight. So coming inside of the Ford Everest trunk, as you can see, it also can fit 2 luggage at least. And if you pull the third row seat, yeah, so it can fit at least 2 small balikbayan bags. So para isara po yung lift gate ni Ford Everest, so you just press this, at automatic na siya na magsasara. And from the seats, we have the 8-way adjustment. And adding from that, we have also the lumbar. So we can rest our rear back. So let's talk about the features of a Ford Everest. Starting from the steering wheel, so we got the adaptive cruise control, limiter, control ng cluster, and at the same time, we can control our volume and turn on our radio. And from our cluster, we have a 10 inches cluster. And from our infotainment, we have a 12 inches infotainment system, which is touchscreen and a dual climate. So our console of our AC, wireless charging. So coming here at the center of the driver's side, so we have our very nice armrests and a button of our modes, which is slippery mode, eco mode, and tow haul mode, and normal. And adding from that, we also have the traction control and parking sensors. And from our knob, we can adjust it into manual, so we can plus and minus for our gear. At alam nyo ba na si Ford Everest ay push start button na rin? Adding from that, pwede din natin siyang i-start by a mobile phone, by downloading a Ford Pass, at ilagay natin yung VIN natin sa Ford Pass. For Ford Everest Titanium, you can get a moonroof. So you can get a Ford Everest Titanium for as low as 2,269,000 pesos. And for in-house financing, for as low as 68,000 pesos. If you get this Ford Everest Titanium, you can get also a Laus Group Cares 24/7 emergency road assistant, Super Optic tin, floor mats, 10-liter fuel, umbrella, keychain, and first PMS free labor. Again, my name is Shigeru Kobayashi, sales agent at Ford Pampanga. And for more inquiries, you can call me on 0920-906-7378. And you can like us on our Facebook page, Ford Pampanga, or visit us on our showroom located at Olongapo Road, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando. Because here at Ford, you are built to win.